Okay, so today we are going to explore Angular routers. So for that, I have created two components in my Angular project. This is the Angular project that which I done, Angular Route 1. So I have created two components, products and services with the command prompt. Okay, so now I go to the app.route.ts file. This is where I write the routes. Okay, so where I connect the paths and the routes. Okay, so this is a service component and this is a products component which I've created, which needs to be imported, and this is the path which I have configured. So if the path has services, then this component loads. If the path has products, then this component loads. So now then we go back to app.component.html. So this is where we have to write a place where the routed component gets loaded. So that is router outlet. Okay, uh, so the component which gets shown on a particular route gets loaded inside the router outlet. Okay, so you just ignore these two now. Okay, there's an header and there is a router outlet. So this needs to be imported, which I have done in app component.ts. See, router outlet is imported and it is also given in the decorator. So coming back to the .ts file, sorry, .html file, we need to anchor links. So on click of which we change the components. Okay, so this is the normal anchor tag, whereas instead of href we have router link. Okay, and we have given the path which we had configured. So this will change the path to /services. This anchor tag on click changes the path to /products. So according to the routes that we have given, so if it's /services, it should load service component inside the router outlet. So this is what will happen. Okay, so let's take a look at the output. Okay, let's refresh this. On click of service we see services, on click of products we see products. Okay, there was one thing which I actually made a mistake is when I was doing this I forgot to include router link. So I had forgotten to include it. So when I refresh this, when I go back to the Chrome, so these two were not clickable. So the mistake that I had done was I had forgotten to include router link.